Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Rootstock Infrastructure Framework token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Rootstock Infrastructure Framework RIF is a suite of open decentralized infrastructure protocols built on the Rootstock blockchain designed to scale Bitcoin DeFi by providing essential tools and services for developers and users. Bitcoin-centric foundation. It's built on Rootstock, a Bitcoin sidechain that uses merged mining to inherit Bitcoin's security while enabling Ethereum-compatible smart contracts. Infrastructure token. The RIF token is the utility key for accessing a suite of services, including a naming services (RNS) and a censorship-resistant stablecoin USD RIF. Community-driven governance. Token holders can stake RIF in the Rootstock Collective DAO to participate in governance, fund Bitcoin builders, and earn rewards in BTC RIF and USD RIF. RIF project institutional rating is 3.5. RIF token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion RIF token. RIF token is listed on Binance, Gate.io, Bitcat, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.